Welcome to LKRR NCBS English School. So dear student, we studying chapter. Name of chapter is matter around us given. In the second chapter. In this chapter, we studying so many concepts. Okay. So today we have to study another one concept. The name of this concept is the suspension. It is actually take place in our daily life. We also observe this concept in our daily life. So, firstly, I would like to define definition of suspension. A heterogeneous mixture. A heterogeneous mixture which contain very fine particles of absolute. Which contain what? Very fine particle of absolute dispersed throughout the solvent. Dispersed through out the solvent without getting dissolved in it is called as the suspension. Now this is our simple definition of heterogeneous mixture. Suspension, not heterogeneous mixture, sorry. A heterogeneous mixture, which type of mixture suspension? It is the heterogeneous mixture, which contain what? Fine particles, small particle of what? Solute. Solute means smaller quantity. Dispersed throughout the solid. It is actually dispersion takes place. Where it is dispersion? Dispersion in the solvent. But it is not dissolved in the solvent. Okay, it is not dissolved in the liquid. It is not dissolved in the more quantity. That is called as the suspension. This is the simple definition. Now, simple one example. Chalk, water. Now we know that chalk. When chalk is taken, fine particle of chalk, and it is filled in the water, fall in the water. At this condition, we know that chalk is the solute particle. It is always dispersed. Where it is dispersed on the water, on the solvent. It is not dissolved. It is always suspended. It is always suspended on the upper side of the water. That is, this is the simple example of the suspension. Smoke coming out from chimneys. Smoke coming out from the chimneys. It is also the example. Again, we also know that second one example, that is the paints, that smoke coming out from the chimneys. It is, these are the three examples. That is the paint. It is always on disperse on the solvent like the liquid. It does not dissolve. Okay, so these are the examples related to the suspension. Now, I think you always understand that is the definition of the suspension. Then we'll study that in the next point, properties of a suspension. What is our next concept? Our next concept is the properties of the suspension. And in the properties of the suspension, first property, it is heterogeneous mixture or nature. First one, heterogeneous mixture. So simply, suspension is a heterogeneous heterogeneous in nature. Which type of nature? It is the heterogeneous nature as per the definition. Not mixed, not homogeneous. Which type of the nature? It is the heterogeneous nature. This is the first property as per the definition. Now, particle size, the diameter of particles in suspension is a range of with the particles of size. Particles of size. So this is the second property. So diameter of the particles in a suspension, the diameter of particle in a suspension, diameter of particle in a suspension is in a range of greater than 10 raised to power minus 6 meter. This is the actually science. Actually greater than. Why? Greater than the 10 raised to power minus 6 meter is the diameter related to the particles of size. Then actually separation are separated with the help of filter paper. So I will explain this one. Now the particle of suspension do not pass through the filter paper. Like we have in the first example, chalk dissolved in water, not dissolved in water. And when it is, we have to separate. We take simply filter paper, then it is not passing chalk from the filter paper, means we can simply separate the solute particle with the suspension particle from this. Means we can separate this particle by simply which method? By filter method, by filter paper. Then appearance. So it is the hazy to opaque light. Okay, with the appearance it is the hazy to opaque. It is the appearance related to the properties of the suspension. Again, transparency. So suspension is not transparent to light. Light is not transparent. You can also perform the activity based on it. Simply in a simple beaker, water is there, fine particle of chalk pieces is there, and check light is pass or not. Light is not transparent through this. Okay, and that is the last one. That is the sedimentation. This is the last property, and in this property the particle of suspension settle down. Particles of the suspension settle down due to the gravity. So in this way we completed that is the suspension concept. How much property of suspension? 6 property. One is the heterogeneous nature. I think you understand. Particle size 10 raised to power minus 6 greater than range. It is always separated with the help of filter paper. Appearance it is hazy to opaque. Transparency, light is not transparent. Sublimation, that is the actually simply particles of suspension settle down under the gravity. So thank you.